Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you in the class of mathematics where we are doing the part 2 of profit and loss. So please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments as well about your joining. So here it is. Let's see what are the questions we have discussed. We will discuss the remaining questions after that. I think this is from where we need to begin today. A very good afternoon, a very good evening to all guys, those who have joined us. Please do let me know by your comments as well. Hello Vinod, good evening. Please scroll a bit comments. Hello Charlie, very good evening. Very good evening Mandhana, Rajendran and everyone else, those who have started joining. Hello Shrivani. Hello Shrivani, very good evening to all the dear friends. Guys, thank you for joining in. Thank you for joining in. And this is where guys from today, from where we are beginning. This is where we are beginning from today, okay? On selling an article for 246.80. On selling an article for 246.80, gain is 20% more than the, hello Vipin, more than the loss incurred for 216. On selling an article for 246.80, the gain is 20% more than the loss on selling it for 220.75. How do you interpret this data? How will you interpret this data? Good evening, Harika. Okay. When you are selling it for 246.80, in one case you are selling it for 246.80, in the another case you are selling it for 216. At 216 there is a loss, and at 246.80 there is a profit. Now, it is said that profit is 20% more. So you will say, sir, profit is 1 by 5 more than the loss. Profit is 1 by 5 more than the loss. So if loss is 5x, then profit is 6x. If loss is 5x, then profit is 6x. So if loss is 5x, then profit is 6x. So the distance between these two, is basically equal to 11x. You will say, sir, 11x is equal to 246.80 minus 216. 11x is equal to 30.80. So x is 11 2 ja 22, फिर 11 8 ja 88. X is 2.8. X is 2.8. X is 2.8, my dear. X is 2.8. हाँ 2.8. Why it is coming 2.8? नहीं ठीक है चलेगा चलेगा. It will be doing wonders. No issues. It will be doing wonders. So what is the CP? If x is 2.8, 5x is 2.8 into 5. 14. 216 plus 14, 230 is the CP. 230 is the CP. What is the CP, guys? 230 is the CP. Okay. So CP is 230. Okay, when you sell it for 220.75, there is definitely a loss. There is definitely a loss of rupees 9.25. Of rupees 9.25 over 230 into 100. Now you have to closely observe whether it is 4% or 5%. So 925 over 230 is, I think, not 4%. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, some of you has replied me yesterday, sir. First question was a good one, and coincidentally today's first question is also a good one. And coincidentally today's first question is also a good one. Any issues to anyone? Come on, do let me know. Is it absolutely perfect? Is it absolutely perfect? Next. Keep on sharing, guys. Keep on sharing the sessions as well. The only thing you need to do is share the session. The only thing you need to do is share the session, guys. Nothing else, yeah? Because I am planning to make more topic-wise sessions like time and work, time, speed and distance, and others. I'm planning to create a lot of such sessions, guys, in the upcoming times, yeah? I know 8 days are remaining, but these 8 days are ours. Yeah, these 8 days are ours. MP given, first discount known, profit of 325. I personally believe, yeah, it would be correct, I think. It would be correct. However, some innovation is there, yeah? Some innovation is there. Some innovation is definitely there. MP 625. Can it be 33.33? What do you say? Chalo, let's take it 33 only. So 10%, 62.5. So 30%, 33% is 62.5 into 3.3. 186, 187.5 plus 18.75. 187.5 plus 18.75. So 187 plus 18 plus 0.75. 206.25 is the discount. 206.25 is the discount. Assume it 206 only. Assume it 206 only. So 425 and 419 is remaining, guys. 419 is remaining. What is this, yaar? This is 325? I don't think so. I don't think so. Then it would be a huge profit. Then it would be a huge percentage profit. Are you getting my point? If I take it as 325, then it's a huge profit, because on subtracting the profit, CP will remain very less. On subtracting the profit, CP will remain very less. And this much profit over the CP of 100 is a 300% of kind of profit. So you can go with 32.5. You can go with 32.5. Okay. So you will get your CP near about 380 or whatever, 385 or whatever. Then you can go for it, but not for that value. Not for the that value. So I will change it. I will change it. You don't worry about it. Till then, you do the next question. I would be just cross-checking it once again. This is our SSC CHSL batch, guys, which you might be aware that we have launched a pure English medium batch. This is the faculty over there, and this is the schedule. What are the features? The batch is available for 1399 only, a very cheap price, with lot of features about live classes, foundation classes, free PDFs, daily practice paper, mock test series, and this. Okay, I will take up this a little bit more later on as well. Till now, do the questions. Yeah. to the PDF of that. If lucky, I would be finding out just now. No, I have to change the mobile just 2 days back, so the original PDFs are gone. I have to change the mobile just 2 days back. So 32.5 can be the value. Have you tried this one? Have you tried this one? An item cost 400. An item cost 400. During a festival season, a company offer a sale discount of X% and additional discount of 10%. Two successive discounts. Among discounts, order is not important. Order is not important means what you are offering it initially and what you are offering it later does not make any difference. I can offer 10 first, X second. I can offer 10 first and X second. So the MP was 400. Ultimately, it is getting sold for 216. I am assuming 10% as the first discount. Because among the discounts, order is not important. So I am offering 10% first. So it will remain 360. Article of 360 sold for 216. Article of 360 sold for 216. I think this is a discount of 144. So a discount of 144 over 360 is how much percentage? Is how much percentage? 4 times 40%. So what is the point to be learned over here? The point to be learned over here is that among the discounts, order is not important. Obviously, if you take X first, you would not be able to reach this value. Got my point? If you go for the X first, you would not be able to reach this point and the question will become more tricky. So what is the long thing to learn is offer any discount first. Then now we got the link. So offer the second discount, which is 144 over 360 is your answer. A small point, but important point. A small point, but important point. As I'm telling that percentages, obviously we would not be able to plan one more session for percentages. So why not finish them as of now? Why not finish them as of now? Keep on sharing, guys. Keep on sharing. Keep on sharing. Yeah, that is the most important thing. What we can feel as of now is let the students know that we are doing a dedicated study over our platform. We are doing a dedicated study over this platform, guys, okay, in the English medium. Let this word spread because it is very important. Otherwise, all our efforts will not reach to its zenith. 20% of the boys and 15% of the girls failed the examination. Number of boys who passed the examination are 70%, are 70 more than the number of girls who passed the examination. A total of 90 students failed. A total of 90 students failed. 20% boys plus 15% girls is equal to 90. Because 20% boys and 15% girls failed, and their total is given equal to 90. One equation formed. One equation formed. Another equation. Number of boys who passed. So 80% boys passed. If 20% failed, then 80% passed. If 20% failed, then 80% passed. Is 70 more than girls who passed the examination. So girls passed are 85%. So number of boys is 70 more than the girls. Two equations, two variables, it's over. Two equations, two variables, it's over. However, to tell you the simplified calculation, it's 20 here, it's 80 here. You need to eliminate one. So I think it would be a good idea to eliminate boy as of now, because it is easily eliminatable. So multiply it by 4. So it will become 80% boys plus 60% girls is equal to 360. And here 80% boys and 85% girls is equal to 70. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Minus plus minus. 145% girls is equal to 290. 145% girls is equal to 290. I think a lot of you have gained a lot of hope. You already know the question is solved. So 145% of girls is equal to 290. So girls are 200. If girls are 200, now I'm taking the use of the first equation. 20% boys plus 15% of 200 is equal to 90. 20% boys plus 30 is equal to 90. 20% boys is equal to 60. 20% is 1 by 5 of boys is equal to 60. Boys is 300. 300 plus 200, total students are 500. It was a good one. Well done, Anupam. Well done, Charlie, Vipin, Shrivani, and all. Something good CGL has asked finally. From percentages. Good one. Great one. Let's move on. Because two equations you have to get to, and you have to find out the answer eventually after that. Done. Easy. A sold the phone to B at a gain of 25%. So for A, let the CP is 100. Then for B, the CP is 125. And then C is selling at a loss of 10%. And 10% loss is a loss of 12.5. So for the C, the CP is 112.5. For the C, the CP is 112.5. For C, the CP is 112.5. 112.5 is given as a 562. Guys, 112 into 5 is 560. So into 0.5, 562.5 definitely, 100%. So just multiply by 5. If you multiply by 5, it will become 562.5. So multiply by 50, it will become 5625. Multiply by 50, it will become 5625. So CP for A is 5,000. It was comparatively a easier one. On the pattern of Ssc Cgl. Nothing out of the box. Next. Increase the speed. We have a lot of content. We have a lot of content. Increase the speed. Wow. One of my famous questions, which I'm taking for years. One of my famous questions, which I'm taking for years, is still coming in CGL. Still coming in CGL, and will definitely would be coming in the upcoming years as well. The formula, guys, which I tell for this is a Ramban. The formula which I tell you over this is a Ramban. Okay, what is the formula? Whenever two articles are sold for same selling price, whenever two articles are sold for same selling price, overall profit loss percentage is 100x plus y plus 2xy upon 200 plus x plus y. 100x plus y plus 2xy plus 200 plus x plus y. X is plus 26, y is minus 10. So 16 into 100, 1600. 2 into 26 minus 10 upon 200 plus 26 minus 10. Even the approximate calculation will work. Even the approximate calculation will work. 1600 minus 520 over 216. 1080 by 216. Profit. Positive, na? Positive denotes the profit. Positive denotes the profit. 1080 by 216, 5% profit. For years, guys, I'm emphasizing over this formula that this question will definitely come to your examination. I know very few know about this formula, but you have to know. You have to know, because from you only the toppers will come, or maybe from you only the high scorers will come. So 200x plus y upon 2xy upon 200 plus x plus y. Next. Percentage profit and loss, guys. I will not take the specific session for percentage. They are covered inside profit and loss only. They are covered inside profit and loss only. Chaman Lal, Arshad and Jagjit Singh contested for election. Of the votes polled, Arshad got 35% of the total votes. Arshad got 35. Arshad got 35. For every 35 votes, Shaman got 14. What a great way of giving the information. What an innovative way of giving the information, that Chaman Lal gets 14 out of 35. If the total is 35, Chaman will get 14. So, if the total is 35, Chaman will get 14. So, how much Chaman will get over 100? This is the percentage. How much Chaman will get over 100? If over 35 he get 14, then over 100 how much he will get? 7 2 ja, 7 5 ja. 40%. So this is the innovative way of saying that Chaman got 40% votes. So Chaman got 40% votes. Who is remaining? Jagjit. 75 gone, 25% votes. 25% votes is going to be get by Jagjit dear. Jagjit. The winner. Who is the winner? Shaman. Because he is getting 40% votes. Gets 4190 more than the person who received the least. The loser is Jagjit. What is the difference? 15% is the difference. 15% is the difference, which is given as 4950. 15 3 ja 45, 15 3 ja 45, 1% is 330. 1% is 330. So total 100% votes are 330 into 100, 33,000. Good one, CGL. I must appreciate SSC for this, a good one. At least you are doing some innovations, and these innovations will bring all the hardworking students ahead. These innovations will bring all the hardworking students above the, the one who sometimes go for the shortcut way, the one who believes that shortcut can give you the success, which is not the case now. There is no shortcut for success. You should be knowing tips, tricks, everything, but you should be knowing the concepts first. Why these tricks can be made, why the tricks are being made, that is also should be known to you. Even I have to read it now. A certain number of students from school X appeared in the examination. Very good. 20% of them failed. From school Y, 130% more students. Okay. I think we would be able to make it. We would be able to make it, dear. We would be able to make it. For sure. For sure. Let the students who appeared from X are 100. 20% failed. So 80 passed. From school Y, 130% more students appear. 130% more. So what is 130% more of 100? It's 130 more. So from school Y, 230 appear, dear. From school Y, 230 appear, not 130. From school Y, 230 appear, not 130. Chalo. Error zone, error zone. If 90% of the total number of students appeared are passed, okay. So let's take the total as well. 330 is the total, and 90% of them passed. So 90 by 100 of 330 is total 297 passed, dear. Total 297 passed. Total 297 passed. From school X, if they are 80, then from school Y, they should be 297 minus 80 means 217. So 13 failed only in school Y. So only 13 failed in school Y. Only 13 failed in school Y. What is the percentage of students from school Y who failed? 13 failed over 230 into 100. Gem. 130 by 23. 5 times, more than 5 times, less than 6 times. Gem. Gem. Please do see. If there are any doubts, come back to me. If there are any doubts, guys, come back to me. CGL 2020 at its best. CGL 2020 and in its best form. Okay. From here, you can see CGL 2020 in its best form. Okay. Students in X, students in Y, total students 330, total 90% passed, so 2197 passed. 80 passed from school X, so remaining 217. Remaining 217 is from school Y. If 217 passed, then 230 minus 217, 13 failed. 13 failed. 13 failed over 230 is 5 points. Perfect. So be mentally prepared for such kind of questions as well now you're in your examinations, okay? Be mentally prepared for them as well. However, try to attempt them in the last. Don't waste too much time over them in the beginning. Try to attempt them in the last. Quant should be the last section. And in the quant as well, the lengthy questions should be in the extreme last. What do I believe the success story is? Quant should be the last. And inside the quant as well, the lengthy questions should be in the last of last. Now you can take up, guys, like GK, reasoning, English, quant, whatever you take it. You can shuffle them as well. Among themselves, but try to keep quant in the last only. Because what happens here? Once these 75 questions you do, once these 75 questions are done in the first, let's suppose 5, 15, in the first 35 minutes, the things are easy now, na? Matlab, you have almost finished 75% of the paper in 50% of the time. So you can have that confidence level. If I can do good at quants, I'm a hero. If I will not be able to do that much good in quants, then also I'm not zero. Because I've already finished 75% of the paper. Matlab, this is for both. Yeah. Because your 75% of the paper is done in the first 35 minutes. So that what do you say, the luck factor you have eliminated. The luck factor, dekh nahi paaye, chhoot gaya. We are not able to see the questions. That luck factor, which sometimes happens, you can avoid that luck factor by doing this strategy. We are not able to see the one words. They were very easy. I'm not able to watch them. Time was over. Just finish them in the first 35 minutes to avoid that luck factor. $20 kg of sugar at 45. 25 kg. Okay. He's botting this. Find out the average CP. Add this in the CP. Per kg. Find out what is the percentage. Should I do it? Chalo, let me do it. 20 kg sugar for 45. 25 kg sugar for 50. And 35 kg for 40. 900 rupees plus 1250 rupees plus 1400 rupees. 2300 plus 1250 is 3550. 3550 rupees, my dear. 3550 spent. Now transportation cost will also get add up in the CP. 4000. Wow. Examiner is kind in the last. Examiner is kind in the last. 4000 is the CP for. 4000 is the CP for 20, 25, 45. 45 plus 5 is 50, 80 kg. 80 kg. So CP per kg is 50. CP per kg is 50. CP per kg is 50 and SP is 52.5. So profit of 2.50 over 50. I think he is kind in the last. He is kind. Not that much heavy calculations. Yeah, calculations were doable. What do you say? What do you say, guys? Is this doable in the examination hall or not? Doable, yeah, my dear. Doable. Next. Okay. It's innovative, a little bit innovative one. Who are those who are watching as well and still not like the session? What is going through your mind? Please, you can guys do it in the beginning. Otherwise, you will be in a hurry and will go while leaving it as it is. The variety is there, guys. The variety is there. The variety is that the combined CP is given. The combined CP is given. The combined CP is given. And saying that the selling price of both is same. Then what is the cost price of one of those? So here that formula can help, but it is not solving our purpose, because that formula is great whenever you want to find out what is the overall profit and loss percent. Here the demand is something else. The demand is what is the CP of one of the article. What is the CP of one of the article if the total CP is known? So we will go with the ratios. We will go with the ratio. First, loss of 20%, loss of 1 over 5. So 5 sold for 4. And second, profit of 16%. Now, I think 4% is 1 by 25. So 16% is 4 by 25. So 25 sold for 29. So 25 sold for 29. This maintained. Now, selling price of both should be same. Selling price of both should be same. So maintain this as well. The moment you maintain this, you will get the ratio of their cost prices. The moment you will do this, you will get the ratio of their cost prices. So first cost price is 145. If you want to do this multiply, do, otherwise not required. Otherwise not required, because we are only interested in that the CP is in what ratio? 100 ratio. So your CP of the first article your CP of the first article and CP of the second article is in the ratio 145 over 100, or you can say, my dear, it's 5 is simplifying 20 times, 5 is simplifying 29 times. 29 ratio 20. 29 ratio 20. So overall CP is total combined CP of both 49. 49 is given as 490. At least in the last he has shown some mercy. At least in the last he has shown some mercy by giving the CP ratio as 29 ratio 20. So combined CP 49, 49 is given as 490, 1 is equal to 10. What is the CP of the article sold at 20% loss? I think first. So first is 29. So if 1 is equal to 10, then 29 is equal to 290. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Please do see out any issues, any concerns, do ask me. Please do see out any issues, any concerns, do ask me. Perfect. Perfection. Perfection. Good one. You can expect this question as well in your exams. You can expect this question as well in your exams. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Guys, I want to take some long sessions of yours. But as you know, CHSL is coming, and launching a batch for that is also necessary, guys. And that is why my 1 hour is gone. I'm really feeling sad for it because I want to teach you more in the last 9 days. In the last 9 days. No issues. I will finish it off. I will finish it off, guys. I will finish it off. Loses 50%, 15%, 100% CP. When the loss of 15%, so 85%. And when you want to earn 5% profit, so 105% is the SP. Difference of 20%. First selling price is given, second is being asked. First is given, second is being asked. Ratio of 17, ratio 21. 17 is given as 425. 17 2 ja 34. 17 8 ja 85. Second is in the first case, there is a loss of 15%. So selling price is 85%. In the second case, you want to gain 5%. So selling price is 105%. Simplify 17 ratio 21, the first selling price and the second selling price. The value of 17 is given as 425. So multiplication of 25, the value of 21 will become 21. This is how you can do it. So CGL 2020 was very, very good in terms of profit and loss. So we can say that CGL 2020 was very, very good in terms of profit and loss. 15 articles for rupees 140, 10 articles for rupees 120. But the number of articles are same in both the cases. Number of articles are same in both the cases. I think multiply by 2 over here, multiply by 3 over here to make the number of articles same. 30. Number of articles are same in both the cases, but here there are 15, here there are 10. So make multiply by 2 and 3 to make the number of articles same. So CP of the first portion is 280. CP of the second portion is 360. So overall CP is 640. So overall CP is 640. Overall CP is 640. Selling 132 per dozen. Per dozen means 12 are sold for 132. Okay. How many you bought, dear? You bought 30 plus 60. How much you bought, dear? 60. So if you bought 60, you should be selling 60 as well to calculate profit and loss. If you bought 60, you should be selling 60 as well to calculate profit and loss. Then only you can calculate profit and loss. So multiply by 5 over here to make it 60. It will become 660, I think. CP of 640, SP of 660. So there is a profit of 20 over 640. There is a profit of 20 over 640. 1 by 32 into 100. 96. Cool one. Okay. Cool one, guys. Is it absolutely clear? Is it absolutely clear? Okay. So I will share this PDF with you. I will share this PPT with you, guys. I will share this PPT with you. So tomorrow I would be doing a session on the time and work. All time and work questions of the last 2-3 years in a single session. In a single session. Okay, so this is the homework for you. This is also the homework for you. Those who will not get the PDFs or PPTs, they can just take the screenshots. They can just take the screenshots. Do try this as well, guys. Looking at innovative one. Do try this as well. Do try this as well. Looking at innovative one. And give me the answers in the comment box if possible. Yeah, that was it. So a very vital information is that, guys, we have begun the CHSL in the English medium. All of you were asking about when we would begin in the English medium. So just to inform you that we, the Exampur family, the Exampur English medium channel has begun in the English medium. And this is our first batch of CHSL, including of me, Ankit sir, Juhi ma'am, Deepmani sir, Shashank sir, Milan sir, Devendra sir, and Milan sir. Okay, catering the different subjects. These are the offerings, guys. Live classes, annotated PDFs, daily practice papers, mock test series, instant doubt solving, current affairs, magazine, and all. Offline, some magazines as well. Chalo, this I will take it up in the TSD session. So, guys, can I denote? Can I give one session to TW and one session to TSD? The next 2 sessions. That would be a great idea. 1 to TW, 1 to TSD. Obviously, I would not be taking the easy questions of TSD, only the moderate to tricky one. And in the time and work as well, I would be not taking the too much of easy questions of time and work, only the moderate to tricky. So we can denote the next 2 sessions, 1 to time and work and 1 to TSD. Okay. That is how we can do. Okay. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you.